Hey, good evening, everyone. How's everything? Okay, great. So, today I'm here to share something important. We know some basics, if we want to increase the power of our Pokemon, so we know the basic things a special training. We can increase the special training. We can upgrade the Pokemon. We can upgrade the IV to make our Pokemons more stronger. But there are also some other things other than these basic things by the help of which we can increase the power of our Pokemons. Okay, so the first one is kitchen. I hope you everyone know about this kitchen. Click on the Pokemon playground, and going in kitchen. Here we can cook some food this is first, second, third, fourth. We can cook some food by clicking add. We can add any three ingredients like this. I will add and start cooking. Look, after 4 hours the food will be ready. The food can be anything. You can see the food materials like here. You can see the food are here. These are some foods which you can use to feed your Pokemons and increase any specific power, like specific attributes like this. This is Pupu Crepe. Yeah, this is Pupu Crepe, which can increase the attack IV, which can increase the attack IV of our Pokemon. This Apple Pie can increase the special attack IV. This can increase special attack EV. These are some foods which if you will feed them, then the Pokemon power will increase. You can feed the Pokemon after clicking on feeding and switch Pokemon. You can select anyone. Look, Embryon. You can increase this like if you will drag. Look, after dragging, 5 points increases. As you can see, speed IV increases by 5 points. So in this way, you can increase your Pokemon power in kitchen. The second one is gym. Gym is really very important. Like in real life, we go to gym to increase our muscle power. In the same way, after clicking on gym and going on daily training, there are some five Pokemons which corresponding to different attributes. Like the first one, first one denotes strength training. Second one, precision training. Third is balance. Fourth, endurance, and fifth one is speed training. You can train these Pokemons to increase these attributes. Like I have three chances here. Okay, so let's train anyone. Let's train endurance. Okay, these are like this is like throwing spikes. Okay, click on it. Just clicking on it. This is endurance, so you have to be like that and do your best like this. This is not easy, by the way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the training is finished and the rating is super. As you can see, rating is S. So you can see you got some rewards. The first is gym medal. Important is badges. After clicking on badge, keep clicking on it. This is badge of electric type Pokemon. Defense increase 16 points. If you have an electric type Pokemon, then this badge, after wearing this badge, it can increase the defense of that Pokemon by 16 points. Defense means physical defense, not a special defense. I have also two chances left. Like let's train this. This is the strength training. You have to do boxing here. After noticing the bar above, okay, 0 kg. I missed it. Yeah, it was super 999 kg. You can see here I also got a badge. This is poison type Pokemon badge which can increase the physical attack by 10 points. Means if you have a poison type Pokemon, then it can increase the physical attack by 10 points. Okay, so in this way you can train your Pokemons and you will get some badges. Now after clicking on question mark, you can see the fifth point. Every day you will get different type of badges. Like on Monday you can get dragon, psychic, and dark badges. Tuesday, electric, poison and fighting badges. As I got electric and poison badges now. So these are different days on which you can get different badges. Okay. Now the benefit of badges is, I'll show you. Let's go to Pokemon. This is your bag. This is my bag all by the way. So you can see a dress here. I'm clicking on it. Below the dress you can see a badge. This is something rainbow type. Click on this badge. Okay, after clicking you will get this type of screen. This type of page in your mobile screen. Okay, I got this badge now. Click on it. Yeah, I got this. I train the Pokemon strength training and I got this badge. This badge electric type Pokemon I got this today also. This badge I got yesterday. So there are some badges. You can see this is Cascade badge and this is Boulder badges. You can see these are some Boulder badges and these are Cascade badges. Generally Cascade badges are more valuable than Boulder badges. Means they have more power. Those badges have more value. Okay, so the value, the importance of these badges is, you can see this is Embryon. Okay, this is my Embryon. You can see. So Embryon is a dark type Pokemon. So I have to choose a dark type of badge. Let's click on here. Click on here. This is rock. This is dragon, steel, fairy, grass, steel, psychic. Let's look for ground, dark. Yeah, this is a dark type Cascade badge, which can increase the special attack by 24 points. It will increase the special attack by 24 points. Okay. Okay, I have not chosen the badge. Let's look at the Pokemon power without badge. Okay, it was a special attack. So a special attack is 4354. As you can see, a special attack is 4354. Okay, I will wear the badge now. Where is that badge? Fairy, uh, fairy. Where is badge? Yeah, this is the badge. Dark type Pokemon. What was that? 4354. Yeah, 4354. Let's drag it. Click on here and drag to the Embryon. Now Embryon has this Cascade badge. Let's see the power now. Let's see the special attack now. As you can see, 4378. Special attack has increased by 24 points. So this is the benefit of badge. After wearing a badge, you can increase the power. Okay. Now there are some also. It was a badge wearing. You can see badge chapter continuous support. This is badge upgrade level. So here in badge chapter continuous support, click on the extra typing. Okay, and you have to select two badges. In here you can add. I what can I say? You can add two badges. Like I'm missing the word. Mm. You can combine two badges. Like let's select anyone. You can select any type. Like this is a fire type. Uh, yeah, this is a fire type badge, and this is a fairy type or a steel type. Okay, let's select this fire type. Okay, confirm it, and now here choose another badge. This is fairy. This is steel, water, fairy, rock. Okay, I'll choose this rock. Okay, confirm it. As you can see, these are two badges and their types are different. The first one is fire type and the second one is rock type. Okay, confirm here. This is a confirm option. After confirming, okay, inheritance. Okay, look, the badges have now both properties. Click on the badge upgrade. No, sorry, where is that? Badge wearing. Click on badge wearing. As you can see here, fairy. No, not yeah, this one. We fuses these badge. These two badges, this was fairy type badge and the second was rock type badge. You can see the both properties are in single badge. Okay, you can see the Pikachu have a badge who have three properties. Oh, sorry, yeah, three properties. It have fairy type, two fairy type. The first fairy type have defense 30 points. The second is fairy type, HP will increase 14 points, and the third is electric type Pokemon physical attack 30 points. you can see these badges have three properties, and you can add badges like this in here. Let's drag it here first. Yeah, you can add badges here in extra typing, not in fixed typing. In extra typing you can add two badges as a single badge. Let's fuse a bolter badge, two bolter badges. This is a psychic type Pokemon. Okay, select it. The second one is fire type. Okay, now let's fuse it. As you can see, confirm it. Yeah, I fuses it. Okay, now the third property of this type, the video is long, very going long, but it is important, by the way. It's very important. You can see this is the badge in which it have two properties, psychic type and fire type, and this is second one. It have fighting type, both fighting type, but the first is defense 19 points and the second is special attack 4 points. Now these are two badges with two different properties. You can add these two also. Let's drag it here. Okay, drag it badge 1 and drag it badge 2. You can add these two also. Let's badge upgrading. Okay, those added, and look, two border badges added as a cascade badge. As I told you in starting that cascade badges are more valuable. That's why cascade badges are more valuable. After clicking on this badge, you can see these are three types. There are three properties. Psychic type add 29 points defense, fire type Pokemon defense add 25 points, and fighting type Pokemon special attack 29 points. Okay, so and you can use this badge to on any Pokemon you can add this, and this badge will increase this corresponding powers. As you can see, Pikachu have this badge who have three properties. So in this way you can upgrade your badge also, and use those badges to for any your Pokemon to increase its power. So this is the power of gym. This is the gym. You can see the benefit of gym. So you can, I told you, in daily training you can get the badges, and you can select your badges in this. After clicking on badge, you can select badges also, you can change your badges also. Okay, so this is the benefit by the help of which you can increase the power of your Pokemons. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.